welcome back to my channel again. If you are new, hi, I am Rosie. I make video regarding beauty, fashion, travel and lifestyle, and today I'm going to do a different things today. Since I'm cleaning my nails and I don't want to go to the saloon to do it because it's kind of expensive in here. It's like 3,000 pesos. So guys, here I'm showing you what's wrong with me. I'm showing you how I clean my own nails. So this one I'm doing is a gel coat. So guys, this is my tools to clean my nails. So I got loads of tools just to clean my nails. So here we go. Let's get started. So this one is a gel. This is the top coat. So this is the last coat that you will apply into your nails. So as you can see, my nails needs a loving care. So this one is the gel color, and I have another one. This is my favorite color, guys, gel color. And this one is exfoliating cuticle treatment. And this one is cuticle oil, and I'll tell you when did you apply this. And the next one, guys, is this expert touch. This are nail wipes. I don't use cotton because cotton got a fiber in it. It will stick into the nails. So this one is just like smooth, specialized for gel coat. And this one is I needed to wipe my nails. This is a wet tissue. And next one, this one is the Bond Aid. This is actually, it's like serve as a primer before you apply. Then so now I'm cleaning my nails. Remove all the old nail polish, and now I apply this cleansing solution. This one actually cleansing solution, guys, is like alcohol. Like in the Philippines we're using alcohol, so this is just the same. So you have to clean your hands and nails like disinfectant, and then spray it into your fingers. Then wipe it off, because after you remove your nail polish, you have to clean it with disinfectant alcohol. And now I will apply the exfoliating cuticle treatment. By the way, this video was not sponsored. These cleaning tools are all mine, so I'm not sponsored. Yeah, and then start applying it into your nails, and then massage the cuticle with it in order to soften the cuticle, so it's easy to push using the pusher. Guys, if you are expert in manicure cleaning nails, just let me know if I did it wrong, because I'm not really expert. I only clean my own nails, so I don't go to the salon because you have to book for appointment. Because I'm in Hong Kong, that's how the way they did it here. You have to book for appointment, you have to go there, and then you have to, it takes hours, so, and then it's expensive as well. So I decided to do it my own, and I can save money. And then push your cuticle, but slowly, don't hurt yourself. And yes, you have, it's so hassle, so I rather do it myself, and I save money. And the money that I save, I put it in something that I want to buy. Maybe because I like shopping, I like fashion, I like handbags. So that's where I spend my money. So I can do something like this, then will save me money, right? So push it slowly but surely. And then remove the something on your edges. Something in the edges of your nails. Just, remove it, clean it. And then file it, the edges of your nails. So I'm using this OPI one. I forgot what number is that. Is that 180 nail file? Can't see it. Now this things is really cool. I love these tools, guys. And it can remove the rough edges of your nails, not just your nails, your foot as well. It's really cool to remove the rough edges there, the rough skin there, and it's really cool. How you call this rough skin one, the hard bit one? How you call this one? I can't remember. See, just buff it slowly but surely. But be careful as well, because it could damage your don't go right to your end of your cuticle. This is a great tools to have when you're cleaning your nails. Yeah, that what called callus. How you see it? It's good to remove your callus in your feet. On your feet. It's really cool tools to have, guys. Then after that, guys, use this finest nail file, and then just smoothing the area. Just remove the the rough nails, and then brush it off. Then use the nipper to remove the dried skin around your cuticle. But be careful because this thing is quite sharp. You have to brush first your nails before you apply this primer. You have to apply primer before the base coat to just protect your nails from damaging. Then use the base coat. I covered the name because I'm not sponsored, so I have to cover the name. So it's base coat. So apply thinly into your nails. And also the edges of your nails. Then guys, turn on the UV light and then cure it for around 30 minutes. 30 minutes, not 30 minutes guys, 30 seconds. 30 seconds only. That's how long it takes. 30 seconds or 20 seconds. Cure it for 30 seconds. Apply the gel coat. So this one I'm using the red one because I like red. Just apply thinly, then apply also on the edge of your nails. Just remove the excess gel, then apply the other nails. Then cure it for 30 seconds. I always just cure it for 30 seconds. Apply another one coat and then cure it, and then actually the thumbnails I cure it in separate because it's so uncomfortable if you put all together. Then the last one is top coat. Just one coat, just apply one coat. I have to shake it before you apply. And then apply thinly into your nails. And then guys, because this is the last coat, you have to cure it for a minute at least. A minute, you have to cure it a minute. Then after that guys, when everything is dry, because this this gel is quite sticky after you finish, so you have to use now the alcohol to clean it. See, you spray alcohol solution, and then get that cotton that I was showing you, this one, and then this wipes, we call it wipes, so just clean it guys. So I spray a little bit of the alcohol solution, and then just wipe off the stickiness of the gel, and then it will be shiny. After that guys, apply this cuticle oil on your cuticle, it will nourish your cuticle. So every time you wash your hands, like every day, you have to put cuticle oil into your cuticle. And then massage it. So, and leave it there for like at least a while. Don't wash your hand, just leave it there for a while. So it will absorb into your cuticle. That is my DIY gel nail coat. So if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and comment down below. See you next time, and thank you for watching, guys. See ya. See you.